Hi guys, welcome back to Wigs channel. In today's video, I'm showing you guys a simple tutorial, a beginner-friendly tutorial on how I reinstall my hair. Keyword reinstall. So yeah, in this video, I'll be taking you guys step by step on how to achieve this look or even better. Yeah. So tune in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you can. Guys. So guys, for today's video, to achieve the look I'm going for, you will need this brush. I use it to detangle like the curls. This tail comb, I guess that's the name, I'm not sure. Baby hair brush. Then the melting band, a hot comb, a curl wand, spritties, some glue. I got this from what's his name? Hero Moses. Then some dark foundation for my lace. Then this mousse. So let's get straight to it. Firstly, I'm going to make my corners in my hair. This is so bad, but let's get straight. So you guys, I'm using my laptop to like mirror myself because I have no actual mirror, physical mirror before me. So yeah, if you see me fetching eyes, I'm using my laptop. Guys, I think I messed it up somewhere. Do you know that my middle corner is going to end like it's not upright. So whoa. My honey. I'm done. For the Coco style. This is so bad. Should I divide it?
No.
I just do it once, yes. Okay. So guys, these are the cornrows. I'm sorry, I'm always so good at this because I played my sister's cornrows as well. But I have no mirror, for God's sake. I can't see myself, so I'm going to have to work with this. Let's go to the next step. So guys, today we're installing a curly wig, but I don't want it curly because I'm going for a textured hair look, right? But to achieve the look I'm going for, I'm going to use my old wig. I'm not a professional, so I can't use a new wig today. Anyways, so the first step we're going to do is to like comb out these curls, all of them. Yeah, so this is the comb I'm going to use. I have to remove most of the curls because I'm going for a textured heavy hair look. That's what we want to achieve. Another thing, guys, people keep asking me, where'd you get your wigs? Where'd you get your wigs? Okay, from AliExpress. I don't know if I have the link, but if I do, I'll tag it below, like in the description box. One thing about AliExpress wigs, it really depends on the vendor because I've got really nice stuff from them. So ignore all those people who be saying they sell fake stuff. They actually have nice things. I've bought a lot of wigs from them. So guys, this is the final products that we're gonna work with. Yeah, to achieve the look we're going for, you have to like comb the hair out like this first. Yeah, so let's go. I'm going to use this wax stick. You guys, I also need a new one to like push back the hair, my edges, because we're trying to protect our hair. But yeah, you get the vibe. Push back the edges. You can use edge control or this wax stick. I'm gonna go ahead and put some glue around my hair. Check well before you use, right? Then open it up, you guys. After shaking, you're going to apply your glue. I'm going to apply 3 layers because I want it to last for like maybe a week. This is the last layer. Will come to oh my god, I feel like it's crooked, but Jesus Christ, what did I just oh crap. Did you guys see it? I feel like my hair, like I've made it crooked. Jesus, I hope this one is out, honestly. And for like the second layer, I'm going to apply the second layer of glue. You guys shouldn't worry. If glue is too much or if it goes over your hairline, you can use some alcohol to clean it out. Now I'm doing this without a mirror. I'm going to let this sit, then apply the last layer. Guys, yes, the second layer is also dried up, it's clear. So the other tip I would say is never attach the wig when the glue is still white, when you can still see the glue. So yeah, well, we're going to apply the last layer because I said I'm going for 3 layers. Yeah, like I feel like I'm failing so bad at this, but yeah, I'm going to wait for this to like sit. So I'm going to do this because the next step is putting the wig on. So we're going to apply this on the layers. To achieve that invisible look, you should aim for like a darker foundation. Make your shade darker than your actual tone. There we go. I'm terrified. You guys, I'm actually afraid of this part the most because, well, let's just get over it. I feel like I got the glue too close to my hairline, or like too far. Do you guys see this? Like, my ear is out of the way. This is because I'm using an old wig. But imagine you have to like cut the actual lace yourself. I feel like it's a little well, but we'll get there with time. Okay, so I did have some extra lace that I had to like chop off right here. Honestly, right now it's looking like I can't honestly, but I'm going to go ahead and melt the lace. Oh, you know the skin tight, right? Yeah, I feel like they work better. But if you can find the melting band, because I have 2 options, but this works better for me, and I melt 2 times. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and put this over the lace. This is not like the actual melting, but this is like to set the glue in and know which. Okay, so let's first check and see if we have some lifting ends. Oh god, this is so horrible. But I think I can work with this for now. I feel like there's no like, extra lace lifting apart from this, but this I'll have to clean up after everything you guys get, because remember I put some extra glue. But yeah, other than that, everything is after the start. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on again and have to melt it as I style the hair. 30 to an hour. So go ahead and like push your hair like behind, because remember you have to like partition it into a side part. Honestly, I feel like the middle part is the easiest. It's a lot of work, honestly, because remember this is an old wig, so the hair has already like pushed far behind, so I have to work with like a little parting. But well, let's start with the hardest job, honestly, which is the curling. So you need two things for this: your curl wand or curling iron, I don't know, whatever it is called. Mine is broken, but it still works fine. So you will need this and maybe a detangling brush, but I'm going to use this, or any type of comb. I honestly feel like any type of comb can work, like detangle the curls well. So let's start. Hey, I'm hoping they didn't. Oh, okay. This is okay, but I feel like I did the wrong side, so I'm going to try to like curl from the inside. I feel like this, I like the texture so far because it's like more pinky. Guys, I'm just going to be like doing the little final touches. I'm going to be curling wherever strand I feel it's loose. To make it easy, I'm going to get my nose and just like you guys, it's been a long video so far, right? And I just want to get this hair together so I can get some pictures. So yeah, the next step I'm going to do is like just shape my head differently. Guys, this is the final look, right? This is how the hair came out. I could do a lot better, I know that for a fact, but this video was to basically just show you guys the easy steps on how to reinstall your hair or maybe study it a bit. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video because I know for a fact there's a lot of girls who would like to save up on some money. So till next time, bye.